Hello, this is B. Mohammed Asar Sehan from the Takshila Global School, and our project is phone, email, internet, etc. to serve rural life. As there is etc. included, we have also added the technology, and the technology can be anything. It can be a robot or it can be a drone. Let's see. So the drone can be very useful for a field because it can be used to monitor the field and say where to add the pesticides, because most farmers don't know where to add the pesticides and we get harmed by it. So it can prevent us from being affected by the disease. So next comes the robot. The robot can be also very useful in the fields because it can harvest the crops, then send it to the storage system. And this storage system can be very useful in the fields because this storage system can store the crops for more than its spoil time, because it gives the crops its required heat and light. So if the crops are not sold, we can store it in the storage system. Let's see about the control system. The control system also can be very useful in these fields because a system is needed to control the robot and the drones. So a control system is very essential. So now let's see about the road system. The road is very useful in the villages because something is needed to transport the goods. Without roads, nothing can happen because there is no way of transportation in village other than roads. So roads are very essential. So next, let's see the cell tower. The cell tower is very useful method of communication. It's the only method of communication. The people can talk with their family, the people can talk about their work, so they can talk about anything. Now let's see about the market. So this is the market. The market directly in the village can be very useful because the market directly in the village is very useful, as the consumer can directly buy from the farmer. So there is no second person involved. It is like first person to third person and no second person involved. The consumer can directly buy the farm fresh healthy food products. So a market directly in the village can be very useful. So now comes the post office, the email office, and the phone shops and the computer. So let's see about them in detail. So first we'll see about the post office. The post office is used to send letters to someone you know and you don't know. You can send it to anyone. So next comes the email office. An email office can be used to send email to any person with email. So it can be also very useful when your post office letter is not reached to that person to whom you have gave that letter. So next comes the phone shop. In phone shop you can get phones and things related to it. So phone shop is basically that. So next comes the computer. The computer in the village can be very essential because people can learn to use it. People can work on it because the people can learn about it and do anything about it. This is our full project. I am very happy to participate in the National Innovation Competition organized by Gandhi Research Foundation and Marathi Science Council. We submit our project RTX 390.